Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka Khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College long ka Khot admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban deb khap mania fila ban call haki niki number.
Ka Little Star English Medium Secondary School Nongba Benther Kalayora ya kanam ladu hak food Eastern West Khasi Hills District Level Inter-School Athletic Meets Arja Option daga Liem Lyndang ya ki Arpulai Tylli School ki balawan menyeshimenta hakani ke Lumpung ila kai sports ka Little Star kala long ka overall champion hadiah Kalayora ban Khur hadu Arpulai Tylli ki takmaksiar Shipho Tylli ki takmarupa Pratali ki takmarnong bat Santali ki best team na pedang ki Hindu Tylli ka St. Thomas Higher Secondary School Mairang Kalawan hakakatan ka baat dak balayo Khur Sautli ki takmaksiar Laitli ki takmarupa Santli ki takmarnong bat kawe ke best team kat baya ka kerdan ka balai ayo bat dak St. Joseph Higher Secondary School Nongkasen ka balayo on Khur Laitli ki takmaksiar Hindu Tylli ki takmarupa bat Nyotli ki takmarnong haba phai syak march pass ya kanam ladu layora anda ka Thangmau Secondary School Thangmau ya gani ke Lumpung ila kai sports ka balane LIC kanti bala pelong dekat office ke District Sports Officer ke West Khasi Hills District Nongstoy haka jingat lang bat ke District Sports Association Mairang kalawan man penha perda dekat Deputy Commissioner ke Eastern West Khasi Hills District ke Kong Anita Kharpor ke bala longkong ke Kongsan haka jingat lang Superintendent of Police ke Eastern West Khasi Hills District ubala longkong musumbut Kongsan nalor giwe ki bala syakot ngobha kumban chupen kan mau ki school ki balawan menyeshimenta hagani ke district inter-school mentau snam kidan kumba arp Sautli mat kinang yeshimenta kidan nyospa nyopungut
that define the year. What has particular scientists to do ready for this moment? Ready to the
We were here just for a few minutes, but our heart is filled with joy to see this spectacular running, these spectacular march pasts, and I feel I've missed the best. I'm sure the 3 days meet that you all had will leave an imprint in each and everybody's heart. An imprint of dedication, discipline, and the best way to use your potentials. The 3 days have given you the right understanding of how blessed each and every one of you are. Each student is blessed by our Heavenly God with special potentials, and these are ways where you can understand use to the fullest and honor your potentials. This day, I would like to encourage each and every one of you to continue loving sports, because this is one area that brings in discipline, teamwork, unity, dedication, and overall personality development. Never stop living your dreams.
As it is slowly lowered, let us reflect on the moment of triumph, perseverance and camaraderie that have marked this occasion. This is not an end, but a reminder that the values of sports continue in everyday life.
With the lowering of the flag, the district level athletic meet 2025 is officially closed and it has come to an end. Thank you. Congratulations to all the champions, to all the participants. Thank you and God bless.